Welcome to Walter James Realty Firm LLC's Homebuyer Education Series. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as legal, financial, tax, or lending advice. Please consult the appropriate professional regarding your specific situation. Thank you for watching. Buying a home is one of the most significant financial decisions many consumers will make. Understanding mortgage-related expenses can help you make informed decisions throughout the home buying process. Today we're discussing PITI, one of the most important concepts every home buyer should understand before purchasing a home. Many buyers focus on the purchase price of a home. However, the cost of home ownership often includes much more than the sales price. Understanding PITI can help you budget appropriately, avoid surprises, and make informed decisions before and after closing. Let's get started. PITI stands for P is for principal, I is for interest, T is for taxes, I is for insurance. These are the primary components that often make up a homeowner's monthly mortgage payment. Why is this important? Because two homes with the same purchase price may have very different monthly payments due to differences in loan terms, property taxes, and insurance costs. Buyer tip: ask your lender for an estimate of your total monthly housing payment, including principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Principal is the amount of money borrowed from a lender to purchase a home. For example, if a home costs $250,000 and you make a down payment, the remaining amount financed may become your principal loan balance. As mortgage payments are made over time, a portion of those payments is applied toward reducing the principal balance. Buyer tip: ask your lender for an amortization schedule so you can better understand how your loan balance decreases over time. Interest is the cost of borrowing money from a lender. The interest rate affects both your monthly payment and the total amount paid over the life of the loan. Understanding how interest works can help you make informed financial decisions when evaluating financing options. Buyer tip: ask your lender to explain your interest rate, loan terms, and estimated monthly payment. Understanding how these factors work together can help you better prepare for home ownership. Property taxes are assessed by local taxing authorities and help support public services such as schools, roads, emergency services, and community infrastructure. Property taxes are generally assessed annually and may change over time. Property tax obligations may change following a transfer of ownership depending on local assessment practices and applicable laws. Buyer tip: ask questions about current property taxes and how property tax assessments are handled in your area. Buyer tip: budget for potential increases in property taxes over time rather than assuming they will always remain the same. Homeowners Insurance helps protect your property against covered losses. Lenders typically require homeowners insurance as a condition of financing. Insurance premiums may vary based on factors such as property location, property condition, coverage selected, insurance provider, claims history. Buyer tip: obtain insurance quotes as early as possible during the home buying process. Buyer tip: review insurance coverage carefully and discuss coverage options, deductibles, and limitations with your insurance professional. In most mortgage loans, lenders establish an escrow account. An escrow account is a separate account used to collect and hold funds for property taxes and homeowners insurance. Each month, a portion of your mortgage payment is deposited into the escrow account. When taxes and insurance become due, the lender pays those expenses from the escrow account on your behalf. Some borrowers may qualify to waive escrow requirements depending on lender guidelines and loan programs. Buyer tip: review your annual escrow analysis carefully. Changes in taxes or insurance may affect your monthly mortgage payment. Buyer tip: read notices from your lender regarding escrow adjustments so you understand any changes to your payment. One common misconception is that a fixed-rate mortgage means the entire monthly payment remains unchanged forever. In many cases, the principal and interest portion of a fixed-rate mortgage remains stable. However, property taxes and insurance premiums may increase or decrease over time. As a result, your total monthly payment may change. Buyer tip: Maintain an emergency savings fund to help prepare for unexpected housing-related expenses. Buyer tip: review your mortgage statements periodically to stay informed about payment changes. Qualifying for a mortgage does not necessarily mean you should borrow the maximum amount available. Homeownership often includes expenses beyond the mortgage payment. Examples may include utilities, maintenance, repairs, HOA fees, lawn care, pest control, appliance replacement, emergency repairs. Buyer tip: choose a home that aligns with your financial goals, housing needs, and long-term plans. Buyer tip: leave room in your budget for unexpected expenses and future financial goals. Before purchasing a home, consider asking, what is my estimated PITI payment? Does this estimate include taxes and insurance? Will an escrow account be required? What are my estimated closing costs? How much cash will I need at closing? Are there homebuyer assistance programs available? How could changes in taxes and insurance affect my payment? Buyer tip: never hesitate to ask questions. Understanding your financing is an important part of making informed home buying decisions. Review your credit before applying for a mortgage. Avoid opening new credit accounts during the loan process. Avoid major purchases before closing. Save for unexpected expenses. Obtain insurance quotes early. Review your loan estimate carefully. Understand your total monthly payment. Ask questions throughout the transaction. Keep copies of important documents. Work with qualified professionals when appropriate. Understanding PITI can help you become a more informed and confident homebuyer. Remember, P equals principal, I equals interest, T equals taxes, I equals insurance. The true cost of home ownership often involves more than the purchase price of a home. Understanding your monthly housing expenses can help you make informed decisions and prepare for long-term home ownership success. Thank you for watching this educational resource. Walter James Realty Firm LLC is an equal housing opportunity provider. This video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered legal, tax, insurance, lending, or financial advice. Consumers should consult qualified professionals regarding their individual circumstances. We look forward to providing additional homebuyer education resources to help you navigate the home buying process with confidence.